Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pythonora. This is Anushka and today we are going to solve other two questions related to strings in Python. Uh, Today we have solved the question and I'll share you the link of it in the description box and also of the lecture of based on strings in Python. I request you to please watch first the lecture and then come here so that you can understand each and everything very well. Okay. We are going to have three questions today. I'll solve two questions and I want you to solve the third one and comment down below. So if you face any problem or its output or I want actually you to share the output of it. Okay. So let's see what the question is. Okay. The first question is write a Python program to get two strings in a single line, separated by a space, and swap the first character of each string. What it means is that we have to uh, input two strings by using only one single line, and we have to swap the first character of both the strings. Okay, let's say if the uh, string is Anushka code like this, then we have to swap this A and C with each other, and our output will look something like this. Okay, so let's see how we are going to solve this. Okay. Coming to Jupyter, Python 3. Okay, here we are. Okay, so let's see how we are going to um, take input two strings in a single line. Let's say a comma b, two variables, is equal to input bracket inverted commas enter two strings or whatever message you want to print here. Then we are going to use dot split. Okay, how? Uh, by using this, we'll split the two strings into different uh, variables. Okay, and so I mean, the first string will be in A and second will be in B. And now we are going to use indexing like C is equal to B of space colon 1 plus A of um, 1 to end. Similarly with D is equal to, let me first write it, okay? Just give me some time plus B of 1 to last. Okay, so here we are. What actually we did, we are of let's say if the according to the string, let me just be here. Okay, so according to the string, we are going to access this part first, and then we are going to access this one. Okay, so uh, in the B, we are going to we will access only C. I mean the zeroth index, and we are going to concatenate it with the other this part of A. Okay, and similarly with the other one, like we are going to uh, we are going to access A and then this part. I hope you got it. Let's see how our output will be. Okay. So let's say print C, comma D. Let's run the code. Okay, enter two strings. Let me say Anushka codes, and I'll run this, and we got the output. Okay, we have replaced the first character of both the strings successfully. What we actually did, we just uh, by this we accessed the zeroth element, I mean the element at zeroth position of B, and by this we access the other uh, from the index 1 till the last of A. Similarly with this. Okay. I hope you understood. Try it with yourself. Okay, so this is all. Let's see the other question. Okay, so the next question is write a Python function to get a string made of four copies of the last two characters of a specified string. Length must be at least two. What it means that let's say if our string is noodles, okay. Uh, Actually, write it here, noodles, and then uh, this es we want a string that this es will be printed four times, like our next string will be es. Okay, this will be our next string. So how we are going to do this, let's see. Okay, so first let's take the input. A is equal to input, enter the string, and then we are going to access its length, like b is equal to len of a. Why we need this? Because we have to do indexing, okay. Okay, so now we are going to use another variable c is equal to uh, actually let me first explain it to you. Like if our is oh, this is noodles, and let me just index it 6. Okay, then to access ES, we have to do 7 minus 5 and then 7 minus 6. Okay, so because the length is 7, no? So that is why we are going to use like C is equal to P of, sorry, A of B minus 2. It means 7 minus 2 yani ki 5. It means we will access from E to B, because 7 will not be included, it will include only till 7 minus 1, it means 6. Okay, okay, so just a minute. Okay, so and now we are going to declare another variable. T is equal to okay, T is equal to C into 4. Don't know what it's happening. Okay, okay, now everything will be fine, hope so. Okay, so now we are going to print. Okay, so now we are going to print D, and okay, we are just going to now. It's actually comment that will not be accessed or will be run by the compiler, but we are actually erasing them. I don't know why. That was just for your understanding purpose. Let's say we have said noodles and run it, and we got this string as es. Okay, so that is all the two questions we have tried to solve, and then answer me in the comment section below. Okay, so the question is, given a string of odd length greater than 7, return the string made of the middle three characters of the given string. What it actually means, if the string is let me say um, Anushka, okay, actually it should be greater than 7 according to the question. Then whatever the middle character it will be, I mean, I want you to um, make a string of sh and k. Okay, like this. The middle three characters will make your next string. Okay, it means your next string will be shk, and I want you people actually just make it a bit complex now. return the string made of the middle three characters. Uh, the four times of, not actually four times. Let me say it seven times of the middle characters of given string. Now your output will be shk, 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 and I don't know how much it is. Okay, I think you got this. I mean, I want shk for the seven times. Okay, so I want you people to solve this question, and please comment down below. Uh, okay, so that is all for today. Please do the question. It's good for the practice. That is all. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.